students, today we are going to create color notes. You will also need your color wheel that we did on day 1. So we've gone over primary, secondary, and tertiary, and I feel like you can do those color notes on your own. So the next group that we're going to talk about, complementary colors. So these are called complementary pairs. They're 2 colors opposite of each other on the color wheel. Orange and blue, red orange and blue green, etc. So you need to pick a complementary pair and paint those in your boxes for complementary colors. Now we're going to talk about analogous colors. So analogous colors are 3 colors on the color wheel that are next to each other and that share a same color. So for example, yellow, yellow-orange, and orange. These 3 colors share the color yellow. So you will pick 3 colors next to each other on the color wheel that share a same color to color in your analogous color notes. Now let's look at our color wheel again. If you split the color wheel in half, between warm and cool colors, warm colors are red, oranges, and yellows, you can see that the color wheel is organized by splitting those kind of in half. Cool colors are blues, greens, and purples. So warm colors make us think of things that are warm, like sunlight or fire. And then we can look at cool colors, which remind us of things that are cool, like cool green grass, or cool blue water. Now we're ready to talk about a monochromatic color scheme. A monochromatic color scheme uses one color and tints, tones, and shades of that color. So you want to start with a base color. You can choose any color you'd like. I chose a red-orange. I already had that mixed up for my warm colors. And I've painted in my pure color or my base color. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to start with tints. So we're going to make lighter values of our color by adding white to each block when we paint it. So you only do a little bit at a time because you want a gradual value change. So we've completed our tints, and now we're going to work on our shades. So we're going to take our pure color, add a dot or a dab of black. We always just start with a little. Black is a very strong color. And then we're going to paint in our next box. You're going to continue adding a little dab of black each time to each box as you paint it until you get the very darkest shade of your color that is not black. It should not be pure black. It should still look like your color, but a dark shade of your color. You could also create tones with your color. And the way you create tones is you add gray. You could do a value scale with grays going from light gray to dark gray, including your color. So we've gone over the color wheel, we've done color notes. You should have a fair amount of knowledge of color mixing and different color groups.